chaturanga. Inspirez, lavez la poitrine. Allongez le cou. Expirez, chien vers le bas. Inspirez, levez le jambe gauche. Expirez, pliez les genoux. Putting your foot to the floor. Flip over. Inspirez, levez le bras gauche. Expirez, coude vers le nombril. Chien vers le bas. Inhale, left leg up. Keep it up, keep it up. Bend your knee, bring the left knee towards your right elbow. Pivot on your back foot. Take the leg out to the side. Take your arm up. Twisting, yeah. Exhale, bring your hands to the floor. Go back to downward dog, one-legged. Step forward into a high lunge. Inhale, take your arms overhead, stabilize. Exhale, all of your weight into the front leg. Warrior three. Extend. Exhale, feet together. Coming up. Exhale, hands to the heart. 100. The next four, you'll do in your own pace, at your own time, your own variations. You can put in whatever you want. You want to do handstands? You want to do the splits? You want to do a split handstand? You can do it.